Stop what you're doing. Dalal Street just had a 10 lakh crore heart attack. While US markets were closed for a holiday, the Sensex fell over 1,000 points. Nifty cracked its 3-month low. Is this a start of 2026 recession or a massive buy the dip trap? Let's get the facts. Why the panic? In two words, Greenland tariffs. President Trump's threat to tax 8 European nations has triggered trade war 2.0. This uncertainty is crushing export-heavy sectors. Look at IT. LTIMindtree tanked nearly 7%. Wipro and Reliance are bleeding. When the global giants sneeze, India catches a cold. Here is the real danger. Foreign investors have dumped 3 billion this month alone. They are running to gold and silver, which just hit all-time highs. Even the rupee has hit a record low of 90.97 rupees. Listen closely. The Nifty is hanging by a thread at its 200-day EMA of 25,160. If we break 25,100, expect a free fall to 24,800. We need to cross 25,550 to see any hope of recovery. Watch the Supreme High Court today. A ruling on Trump's tariff could flip this market overnight. Most people will lose money this week. Only those who watch the data survive. I'm tracking the budget 2026 leaks next. You don't want to miss that. Are you buying this dip or waiting for 24,000? Comment buy or sell below to get our private watchlist. And if you want to protect your portfolio, hit the subscribe button for Factz 360.